Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to integrate Twitch with Discord server. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your desktop or mobile device and click on the gear icon near your username at the bottom left corner of the app. In the left-hand menu, select Connections and click the Twitch icon and follow the prompts to log in to your Twitch account. Once connected, Discord will show all the Twitch channels you're subscribed to. From this page, you can easily join their servers or manage subscriptions. Now, a sub-only server allows you to give a special access to your Twitch subscribers. Make sure your Discord and Twitch accounts are connected as described above, and click on your server name in Discord and select Server Settings. Select the Twitch integration button in the settings menu, and after enabling Twitch integration, a new role for your subscribers will be automatically created. You can manage these roles under the Roles tab in the server settings. Now adjust permissions for subscriber roles to control what members can see and do in your server. For more detailed guidance on role management and permissions, check Discord's official documentation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.